Hello there, and how is it going? I hope you're having a good day wherever it is in the world that you are currently located. Let's dive on into 4 areas that I'm watching in the markets, 4 areas I'll be paying attention to as I trade here on the ES, and I'll tell you why. We're going to start off 2 lines down today where we've just recently, at the time of this video, had 2 beautiful rejections off of 44.33. Currently, it is functioning as an area of resistance, but the pressure is building. If we break and maintain trading activity on it and perhaps use it as a platform for support to go higher, my eyes jump up to 44.95. It's a higher area of support that led to all-time highs, at least in the shorter picture. If you looked over here to the left, the highest point on screen, support led to that action. Now down below where price is trading, we have 43.60 marked off. It's a lower area of support holding up the current bullish push, and down below that even further, if we lose that, I have 43.25 marked off. It's a lower area of support that could definitely create some fireworks. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.